Hello everybody, this is going to be a really simple tutorial showing you how to add custom resolutions even though your Nvidia control panel has the customize grayed out. For instance, my other monitor works just fine. This monitor, it does not. It's very simple. You're going to hold down your Windows key, you're going to hit R, you're going to type in regedit, just like so, hit OK. It's going to open up your registry editor. You're going to hold down Ctrl F, you're going to type in NV underscore modes, and you're going to hit find next. Once you're here, double click on NV modes. This is where you'll add your custom resolution. You want to add it in order from smallest to largest. So for instance, I added 2304 by 1440. So I added that behind a 2560 by 1440 since that is 2304 is bigger than 2048. So it would go right in between the two of these. The easiest way for you to add your own custom resolution would be to simply just copy one of the standard ones, but you do have to copy the 32,64. That's at the end of it. Your monitor might be different, so it might not be 32,64, it might be a different number, but just copy those two at the end as well. So you can just copy it, paste it to where it's going to go, and then type in your custom resolution manually like that, and then you should be good. Just make sure that there is a space between that custom resolution and that last number to the next resolution, and you'll be good. You click on OK, and then you are going to restart your computer. After your computer's restarted, you can go to your Nvidia control panel and verify that this is here. It will work with higher resolutions. Mine's a 480 Hertz monitor and it worked just fine for me. Hopefully somebody found this helpful if you've been trying all the other things and it hasn't worked. It should be noted that you'll have to redo this every single time that you update your Nvidia drivers. But overall, it's a pretty simple solution to a pain in the butt problem.